as much noise as possible. Let's do this.
My name is Jerome Joseph, and I'm passionately obsessed when it comes to branding.
We're going to do this together. Have no fear.
You are going to march to the beat that you drum. This is we. The day you were born, you are the CEO of your brand. Imagine if there's a wall of all the best brands in the world. Is your brand worthy of that wall?
Brand is a big driver of their success.
Please be extraordinary.
I've been doing this for a long, long time.
All of us are brands. We are brands. And I've traveled around the world working with all kinds of brands. The senior executive goes, let me show you how it's done. Proceeds to take paper and a colored crayon and proceeds to handwrite.
I like the approach of the introduction, showing what a brand actually stands for.
Dearest Mark, let us now address to the little boy. We miss you. Hi, this is Mickey Mouse. We have been playing with Teddy and he misses you too. Why didn't you come and spend a full day playing with us and bring Teddy home? Lots of love. Signed, Mickey Mouse. P.S. Goofy says hello.
We like all stories about real people, about real companies. It was great.
In the books that I write about branding, I always showcase brands, and AirAsia is a brand that I have so much respect because of the legacy of this man. Everything was all lined up to say. I walked up to him and I put up my hand. I got Tony Fernandez. Hi, I'm Indian. He looked at me and he goes, yes, I noticed. Are you ready to take action and live your dream?
It was really efficient and useful for us. If you're training, I think it's helping us to get out of a box, to get out of our shoes.
Comfort never produces greatness.
It's our weapon, and we'll go with this weapon to battlefield and win this war.
What are your obstacles? What are your fears? What are your challenges that are preventing you from being the best brand in the world?
You're really inspired with the idea of the brand. You really explained how important it is.
The two most important days in your life are the day that you were born and the day that you find out why.
And what he decided to do was to really dig deep and share a very personal story. He was going as far as he could to help make the point that he wanted to make that evening.
And at 19 years old, I started to give up on life. I told myself, I'm going to die, I'm going to die. I never had a girlfriend, I'm going to die. The nurse walks in. She was beautiful, not just on the outside, but also on the inside. She walks up to me, she holds my hand. And she said, you're not going to die. Say it like you want to live out the rest of your life. You're not going to die in this hospital room. I believed and I said, I'm going to live, I'm going to live, I'm going to live.
I'm understanding more and more why his clients keep coming back. That Jerome not only understands their companies, he understands them as human beings.
There are people who are telling you you're not good enough, you're never going to make it. And you are going to send a flat out. You're going to drown out those words because we are all bruised, but we are brave because that's what courage is all about.
He delivered with high energy. He really exceeded everybody's expectations. They all came out with a wow. He kept them totally engaged. They were active. They were inspired.
1, 2, 3, noise! Whoa! What if Dr. Jerome Joseph's future self were to appear right in front of him, right? Future self? It's you. It's you. I can't believe that I was this young and slim.
It was mind-blowing. The content was very rich and he gave us a new perspective.
If our wife ever asks you on the 8th of April 2035 if this dress makes her look fat, please, for the love of God, I beg you to say no. Sleeping on this couch is not fun.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, Jerome, for everything.
Thank you for this.
Highly appreciate your passion.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
This is me. I am not worthy. My name is Jerome, and I wish success in building your brand legacy.